Hey there, Progreda Pros. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're tackling a game changer for your lead management on how to show form submission data on your Progreda pipeline. So, if you're thinking like, wait, what's a pipeline? Or what's the connection between forms and pipelines? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. So, let me share my screen here real quick, and I'm going to show you how it works. All right. So, let's say whenever someone submits a form, whether it's a lead form, a contact form, or a custom form you've created, their information can be automatically funneled into a pipeline. So think of the pipeline as your lead tracker. It's divided into stages like new lead, contacted, and so on. So form submissions will typically appear in the first stage, which we call the new lead stage. Easy, right? So here, let's see this in action. So first, head over to sites. All right. And here, all right, so now let's try it out. So I'm going to submit a sample form as if I'm a potential lead. So here on the site, you can see that here you can see all the forms. Here you go to the form builder. Then you see all your forms you have created here. But for this tutorial, let's use an existing form as an example. So let's say for this one, snapshot form. So let's just say this is like a new registration form. So this is how it's gonna look like when previewed into a site. So it will get your leads. It will get the lead's full name, email, their information. So let's say once the lead submitted a form, now let's go back here. So new lead stage of the pipeline complete with all the details they submitted. So from here you can move. So it will it should appear here. So from here you can move the lead to the next stage as you take action, whether that's contacting them, sending a proposal, or closing the deal. Easy and seamless, right? So and that's how you connect your submissions to your pipeline in Progreda. So no more manual entry. So here you can just drag your leads to any stages you like, and that's how it works. Easy, right? And yep, if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and share it with your team. And don't forget to check out our videos in Progreda. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.